Good day, everyone. I am Jumair Midisalan. So today, I'll be guiding you through one of the most powerful tools for academic research, which is Google Scholar. So before we proceed, what is Google Scholar? So Google Scholar is a free search engine developed by Google that indexes scholarly papers, theses, books, conference conference papers, and patents for academics, publishers, universities, research institutions, and professional societies. It is it provides access to full text articles available through subscriptions such as those from Benedictine Library or made freely available by publishers and preprint repositories. In addition to linking to full articles, Google Scholar offers abstract and citation information, even when the full text is protected by copyright. It is widely used by students, researchers, and scholars to find reliable, peer-reviewed, and academic information for research and study. So, purpose and context. The purpose of Google Scholar is to help students, researchers, and academics easily find credible scholarly and peer-reviewed sources across a wide range of disciplines. It is designed to support academic research so the purpose of Google Scholar is to first find credible academic sources for research and projects. So you can search for peer-reviewed journals, books, theses, and articles that you can cite in your academic work. So, for example, if your capstone title is Mobile-Based Appointment System for Health Center, you can search for related studies like e-health solution in rural areas or mobile health scheduling system. And then next, track down citation and references for existing work. So when you find a helpful article, checking its references and citation can lead you to other valuable sources. The, the reference list at the end of the article shows what previous research, the background, and context of the study. So on the other hand, looking at who has cited the article since it was published can help you find more recent studies that have built upon or responded to it. This process not only expanded your research base but also helps you trace the development of ideas over time, identifying key scholars in the field, discovering related topics that may enhance your understanding of subjects. And then next, explore recent developments in a field of study. So this one is it helps you to to stay updated with the latest trends, findings, and technologies in your choosing of the study. And then the last is stay current with scholarly literature in your area of interest. So important for mostly and especially in capstone students or thesis students to ensure their research and is based on the latest studies, strengthen their background, and identifies gaps in existing research. So, here's the step-by-step guide to using Google Scholar. Step 1, go to Google Scholar. So, first, go to the website and then type scholar dot I google.com. So you don't need an account to search even if you're not signed in. You can still find research articles or journals, but if you sign in using your Google account, it's even better because you can save articles you want to revisit and track research history. So let's proceed. Step 2, your search keywords. Then, once you're on a site, you just need to type the keywords or phrases related to your topic of what you're looking for. For example, clinic management or purpose of my SQL. Clinic management here. So these are the phrases you can use to find academic papers on your research studies. You can also search for a specific author, paper title, or publication name, just like the name of the journal. So let's try. So here's the result. And then step 3, review the result. So you can see the title, author, and the year of publication, journal name, number of time it was cited, and a link. So here is the result. And the title, this one is the title of the research paper. And then this one is the author's name, and a year of publication, who wrote the article and when it was published. And then this one is the journal name where the article was published. And then number of times it was cited. This shows how many other researchers have used the study and their own work. More citation often means it is useful or influential papers. So for example, this one cited by 16. So here. And then link on the right, PDF, HTML, or etc. is a free if a free version is available, you'll see a link. So this one. Click to access the full articles. So this one, and then step 4, use filters and tools. Filter by date. Use the custom date range for targeted searches. So filter by date. This lets you see newer studies. So for example, just click 2021 to only view articles published from 2021 onwards. So, ito po siya. And a custom date range. Kung gusto mo naman ng sariling timeline, pwede ka rin mag-set ng date dito. You can just set the date here. And then other useful tools and Google Scholar. So, site tool. I-click mo lang yung site sa baba ng isang search result para makakuha ng automatic at properly formatted citations. Like APA, MLA, and Chicago at iba pa. So, ito. And then related articles. I-click mo lang yung related articles para makakita agad ng mga studies na kahawig nung pinili mong articles. Malaking tulong din to para mas mapalawak mo pa ang mga literature review mo. So, this one. And then, here's the result. And step 5, access full text. If the article is available, there will be a link on the right side. So this one. Then, click mo lang yung link para mabuksan o ma-download yung buong article. So you can also download this one. And then, kapag wala namang lumalabas na link, ay baka may bayad yung article o nasa likod ng paywall. But this one is, free naman din to. So you can download this one. Use tools like open access button o ang paywall para maklik kung may libre ba na version ng article. So, conclusion. Google Scholar is effective and easy-to-use tools that gives users access to trustworthy scholarly sources in a variety of fields. Users can improve the caliber of their essays, research projects, and academic work by learning how to efficiently search, filter, and cite scholarly materials. Google Scholar promotes academic success and lifelong learning, whether you're looking for reliable sources, keeping track of citation, and or searching the most recent advancement in your professions. It is a vital tool for academics, students, and anybody else looking for reliable information because of its extensive database and easy to use interface. So, that's all. Thank you. Any clarifications or questions? Everyone?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. That's all.